So, I got everything out of the field, everything's in the barn, looking good, finished up. There's my small dismal stack that is totally going to screw me over this year. So, harvested everything finally when it all got done. There wasn't a whole lot of tonnage here, so yeah, that sucks. I'm gonna have to figure something out because I was really counting on that to do well, like almost double. So I got half of what I expected. So not just a little less, half is less. So because of that, I decided that in doing harvest and whatnot, and bales break, and so I had a few broken bales, and some of those 3-tie bales were just kind of garbage. So the few broken bales I have, and the pile that I've now been collecting here for a little while, been taking the strings out of it and kind of fluffing the flakes back up. And so I'm going to start pitchforking it into the baler and just making bales here. Got some fans to keep the dust down. Yeah, I've never done this before. I think my buddy Travis has done this. I should have asked him a little more about anything that he might have learned in his process. It's pretty self-explanatory. Put hay in the baler, and then the bales come out with string on them. Hopefully they're tight enough. So, all right, here we go. Let's see what happens. holy hot damn, nice. I did not expect that to go so well. I mean, what did that take? An hour? And let's see, how many we got here? I'll be able to get that one out. I'll be able to get that one out, I know how. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 bales. So 23 bales of garbage that would have just been kind of like thrown away otherwise, re-baled, and the first like 5 or 8 of them were really light. So I just threw them back in and re-baled them again anyway. Now they're all up to weight, 55, 65 pounds. Little goofy shaped because I'm thinking I'm feeding them that chaff and it gets really small, or in the breaks between where it's not getting a lot of hay fed to it, it makes funny flakes. Too many funny flakes in one bale makes kind of a funny bale. So there's a few bales that aren't like perfectly shaped and nice and solid, but they're there. They'll sell. That's the important part. So even if I only sell them for 10 bucks a piece, 230 bucks in 2 hours. All right, when they're already in the barn. That's called baling inside. Oh my God, it's gross. Damn, look at that. Gross. Couldn't have done it without those fans. I could barely do it with the fans blowing on me. Whew, feels good right here. Yeah, they saved my ass. Yeah, there's no better way than doing it right here in front of the fans. Still dusty, still gross. So, cool. Well, that's baling inside, people. Thanks for stopping by. Come in again and check out what shenanigans we're doing next. Boring shit. We're gonna finish the wall today. All right, see you guys later.